We will do one more exercise, inserting correct prepositions. Okay? Now, insert suitable prepositions. Insert suitable prepositions in these sentences. In these sentences. My friend died. My friend. My friend died. An accident. Next. She killed the snake. She killed. She killed the snake dash a stick. Hina picked up. Hina picked up. Hina picked up the book. Hina picked up the book, kept dash the table. He has no linking. He has no linking. He has no liking. He has no liking dash mathematics. Dash mathematics. Wee Willie Winky runs. Wee Willie Winky runs dash the town. The town. I am tired. I am tired. I'm tired dash walking. Do not cry. Do not cry. Dash spilt milk. Milk. She came and sat. She came and sat. And sat dash me. I put down for you 8 sentences and we are going to insert correct prepositions. Read aloud to find it's right or not. My friend died. My friend died dash an accident. In an. Very good. My friend died in an accident. The next one we have is she killed the snake dash a stick. She killed the snake with, very good, with a stick, with. Very good. My friend died in an accident. She killed the snake with a stick. Good. You did the 2 insertions correctly. Hina picked up the book, kept, dash the table. Kept, you can say under or you can say on. Anything is right. You can say on or you can say under. Wherever you want to keep. Picked up a book and kept on the table, kept under the table. Anything is right. He has no liking. No liking dash mathematics for. He has no liking for mathematics. Wee Willie Winky runs. Runs through or runs to the town. Through the town. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. I am tired of walking. I am tired of walking. Do not cry dash milk over. Do not cry over spilt milk. She came and sat near me or beside me. Anything you can write. You can say beside me. You can also say near me. Anything is correct. So now let's read through, insert suitable prepositions in these sentences. My friend died in an accident. She killed the snake with a stick. Hina picked up the book, kept on the table or under the table. Both are right. He has no liking for mathematics. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. I am tired of walking. Do not cry over spilt milk. She came and sat near me or sat beside me. So we have done the correct insertion of correct preposition for every sentence.